We get asked this a lot when it comes to chrome deleting. What's the best way to do so? Is it vinyl or is it Plastidip? I have a blue Tesla Model 3 here, and I have a Tesla Model S here. Both have chrome delete, but the way the chrome delete is done on both of them are totally different. One is Plastidip and one is vinyl wrap. So I can show you the difference and just how they look, and also so like the pros and cons. Like, I'll be honest with you, when it comes to Plastidip, it's not really my favorite just because I don't like the texture. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. So here's a Plastidip chrome delete Tesla Model S. Plastidipping is awesome for small things like badges and emblems, but when you do big pieces like window trims and door handles, do you see how there's a lot of texture? You can kind of tell it just looks kind of faded, and it doesn't really look clean. There's a lot of splotchiness with the two, and the feel of it is kind of weird too. It's kind of rubbery, it's kind of grippy because that's what Plastidip is. Any areas that have a lot of, I guess, friction or rubbing, like on the mirrors of Teslas, it's hard to Plastidip because after a while, as you can see, it'll start to just erode away. So you're back with the chrome left when the mirrors are folded like that. Even with paint and vinyl, some mirror tolerances, like especially on the Teslas, if it's really tight, it can still rub through vinyl, but I do notice it commonly with Plastidip. Alright, so now let's look at the Tesla Model 3 that is chrome deleted with vinyl. Just take a look at the surface of the vinyl. Tell me if you can notice a difference. Can you guys see just how much smoother the vinyl is in terms of just on the surface? It looks way more OEM. Definitely can give you more the illusion that this came from the factory, especially if your Tesla isn't the newer version where it comes black from factory. Matter of fact, I actually have a new Model Y here. We can just compare how it looks. So this is the factory black, super smooth, OEM, right? Looks nice and clean. And here is the vinyl wrap, as you can see. So the surface and just how it looks is almost identical. And guys, we're not trying to make fun of the installer or anything like that. I just wanted to do this video to show you the difference between what Plastidip looks like as a chrome delete option versus vinyl wrap. I'm sure there's some installer out there that can do a crazy good job. Unfortunately, it seems a lot harder than it looks to do right. And at the end, it seems like even then, it doesn't have the same finish that you get with either paint or even vinyl wrap.